you are not all. And welcome to Better Faith's Group of School platform. I am Ezodi Mary, and our subject is English language. And our topic for today is the definite article and its uses. First and foremost, what is an article? Before you'll be able to know the definite article and its uses, we need to draw your attention back to the meaning of an article. We were taught that an article belongs to a small group of words called the determinants. We have the definite article and the indefinite article. But in our lesson, we are going to be looking at the definite article. And we know that the definite article is the. And how do we use this article? Most times we do not know when to use the, a, or an. So we are going to be looking at the uses of the definite article. 1. When a writer or speaker has already mentioned a person or thing in a story or discussion, that's when you use the definite article the. When something has been mentioned before in a discussion or a story, you use the to refer to that thing. For example, I said Ella took an onion and a sharp knife and cut the onion into small pieces with the knife. You see, we have discussed about the onion before and a knife. So we use the article the to refer to the onion because the onion has been discussed about before in the same sentence. Ella took an onion and a sharp knife and cut the onion, not a onion again. You use the onion because you have talked about the onion before, and cut the onion into small pieces with the knife. That is one use of the definite article the. Another use of the definite article, when a noun is followed by a relative clause, which shows that the writer is referring to something, one thing in particular, something that is one. For example, Martin drove away in the car that was parked behind yours. The car that was parked behind Martin is just one. So the definite article is used to refer to something that is just one. That's when a noun is followed by a relative clause, which shows that the writer or speaker is referring to something that is one. Another use of the definite article. We use the definite article. It is like when it is likely that there is only one. Something that is one, something that is unique. It does not have two. You use the definite article the to refer to things like that. For example, the president of Nigeria visited our school. And we all know that in Nigeria we have just one president. So the definite article the is used to refer to things that we do not have two, that are just one. They are unique. They are one. And another example, the sun. We have just one sun. To our knowledge, I don't know about time, but every one of us believe that there is just one sun. So if you are making a sentence, you don't use a sun, you use the word the sun to refer to sun. We have example, the moon, the earth. We have just one earth and just one word, the world, the universe. So this is how we use when it is like that there is only one. There is only one. That's something that things that are unique. You use the definite article the. The use of the definite article. Another use of the definite article when we are referring to rivers, oceans, or seas, and to places that have plural names. When referring to oceans, when referring to seas or rivers, we use the definite article the. For example, the River Nile, the United Arab Emirates, the. We use the article the. Another use of the article, the definite article, we use the definite article with some other determinants. For example, the first. First is a determinant, the. The first, the other, the several, the many, the sum. For example, I can say I gave her the sum of. That's for the use of the definite article. We use it with some other determinants, as we have on the board: the first, the other, the several, many, some, etc. And the last one here, use of the definite article. When referring to a plural name, when you are referring to a plural name, for example, you say Theophilus. Theophilus here may mean Mr. and Mrs. Ophidi, or it may mean the entire family, or it may mean Mr. and Mrs. Ophidi and their children. Having known this, we should know the appropriate use of the definite article. When using the article, we should not miss it out. There are different ways, or these are rules that guide the use of the definite article. Know when to use it and where to use it. So now I'm going to give an assignment of which you have to submit when we resume. You have to construct 5 sentences using the definite article to refer to a noun already mentioned, just like we have here in number 1, use. Construct 5 sentences using the definite article to refer to a noun already mentioned. The noun should be mentioned in the sentence. Thank you.